Well, I'm back at Lions Park Campground in Vermillion, South Dakota, and there have been a few changes. They've got a rules board here, and it starts out with telling you that it costs $10 per night now, with a 2-night maximum stay. You can pay in cash or check. And there's a comfort station where you can pick up the site ticket. Camping in designated sites only, which makes sense. Sites number 1 and 2 are ADA accessible. First come, first serve, no reservations, no dump station. That's unfortunate. And no parking during armory and sporting events, so you may have to check the schedule. It looks like they've improved the playground area. They've also changed the camping layout. The ADA accessible camping spots are level cement pads. Now they've got 3 camping areas on the left side, and they've got 2 camping areas on the right. Each camping site comes with an electrical post with a 50, 30, and 20 amp electrical. A water hydrant with pretty good water pressure, a nice picnic table, a fire ring, and a grill. They've got 2 shower rooms here. The lights and fan come on automatically. Got a nice little shower here with the wand, and it's ADA accessible with a bench. And they still have the bathrooms here. Located at the back of the campground is the dumpster. Located at the bathroom and shower house, there's a little plastic box here where you pick up your site ticket, fill it out, and then drop it off here in this little letterbox. When filling out the form, you have to put all this information in here, well, at least as much as you feel comfortable. And then you tear off the top half, filled out of course. And then what you do with that is, there's a post by every campsite with a little clip, and that's where you clip your ticket to. Well, I think I'm going to keep this on my list to visit. Yes, it costs money now. $10 though isn't too horrible for a night. And with a 2-night limit, this place is unlikely to be crowded. Who knows, maybe the next time I stop here I'll stay the full 2 nights. I think if I have to, I can spend $20. However, the loss of the dump station concerns me. There's really no dump stations that I know of in the area. So I'd have to plan for that. Even so, I still recommend this place again. And I figure, why not? After all, it's pretty much on my main route. A little busy out here. Of course, it's a main business road out front, so it's kind of noisy during the day. As I recall, it was quiet at night last time I was here. So I'm going to spend the night here and then head off to my next spot. And, well, being a nice, warm, sunny day, I think I'm going to enjoy it here.